Butte County. All healthcare workers must be fully vaccinated by tomorrow. Action News Now reporter Danny Maston joins us live from one healthcare facility in Butte County. Danny, how are workers handling the mandate?
Some are handling it well, while others struggle with it, Haley.
Being told that you're going to lose your job if you don't put something in your body. How are we ever going to motivate people to want to be healthcare workers in the future?
Protecting my patients and anybody I come in contact with, especially people with health conditions and who are elderly. So yeah, it was really important for me to get my vaccine.
Some nurses who did not want to be identified are feeling uneasy about the vaccine mandate, while others are not. One nurse says her biggest hesitation for getting the shot was the fear of not being able to get pregnant.
I was trying to get pregnant and there were no studies on any pregnant women. The wonderful thing was 2 months later, I ended up getting pregnant.
Some nurses say throughout most of the pandemic, they have treated patients while wearing things like gloves and a mask, and say this has protected them enough, and are now questioning why they are being forced to get a vaccine in order to be protected.
The majority of people who've been working in healthcare have been exposed to COVID so many times. Their natural immunity is probably 10 times more than someone who isn't in healthcare and has had the vaccine.
Some people already preparing to leave their jobs in healthcare due to the mandate.
I've seen people begin to pack up their things. I've seen people meet with supervisors and CEOs.
The Human Resources Manager for Chico Immediate Care breaks down how they go about their religious or medical exemption process.
To be honest, it's a special accommodation for both, for medical and religious. So we would just talk with those employees and go through the accommodation process.
Kennedy tells me the accommodation process here at the immediate care is a form of written documentation that is then submitted to the facility. Live in Chico, Danny Maston, Action News Now coverage you can count on.
Thanks, Danny. Governor Gavin Newsom first announced the vaccine mandate for healthcare workers August 5th, giving healthcare workers until September 30th. That's tomorrow to get vaccinated.